What's going on, guys? Today's the sky's the limit here. So today I'm gonna show you how to export a PNG file from Photoshop. Now I watched a couple videos on these and they didn't show you guys. They showed you how to export it, but they didn't show you how. Basically, your PNG file option will be missing sometimes, and I've been looking at a lot of comments. All right, so look, you're trying to export it as a PNG file, but it's not popping up. I'm gonna just show y'all how to get that option to pop up and then export it as a PNG file. Alright, very easy. So all you gotta go to is go up to image, go to mode. You want this to be on RGB color. It won't work with CMYK. Just switch it to RGB. Now go to file, go to save as, and now all of them will pop up. That's all you gotta do. Very simple fix. All the videos I watched, nobody explained that. They explain how to export it, but not how to get the option to pop up if it's missing. Basically, you just use the PNG file, so just you get no background if you want no background. Like if you print this out, there won't be no background. It'll just have what this is. Thank you guys for watching. Very simple tutorial. Sky's the limit. More videos on the way.